I would like to give the floor to Jana from the Faculty of Economics and Management, and the floor is yours.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jana Sluková. I am from the Faculty of Economics and Management at the Czech University of Life Sciences in Prague, and I would like to really briefly introduce to you all our English programs that we offer. As you can see on this first slide, we have bachelor's, master's, and also PhD programs. On the bachelor level, which takes 3 years, we offer 3 different programs. The price for each program is slightly different. As you can see, business administration is 1,280 euros approximately, and the other 2 are 800 euros. Next to each group of the study programs, you can see a QR code which will directly lead you to the website where you can actually read more about each program. You can read about the conditions for the admission exams or interviews and also study plans. On this slide, you can also see that we offer 4 master programs and another 4 PhD programs. On the next slide, we are explaining that we also have preparatory Czech language courses and English courses programs. That's for those of you who wouldn't feel comfortable enough speaking English to study full-time in the English language, or for those of you who would like to eventually study in the Czech language maybe. And also we offer preparatory professional and language courses that are leading to study in the previously mentioned accredited programs, and everything is fully taught in the English language. For these PPL courses, as we call them, the price is about 3,000 euro for the bachelor courses and 4,000 euro for the master courses. All the applications are online, and for the PPL, there are no entrance exams. The admission period is slightly different for each program. So I would definitely recommend you, when deciding about which program would be the most beneficial for you, to check the website of the faculty and not to miss any deadlines. Basically, we are opening all the applications this year, 1st of December. That's the first time you can start applying for the next academic year. And if you manage to send your applications by end of March, you will definitely not miss any deadlines. Some of the English programs are a little bit prolonged with the deadline, but we always recommend to all of the students to apply on time, because especially the students from abroad who need to apply for visa, they need definitely more time to manage all the paperwork, get the visa appointment at the embassies and so on, and to plan their arrival. The school year will start next year at the end of September. So basically by that time, everybody should be physically in the Czech Republic in order to be able to attend the classes in the present form. Here you can also, on the other side of this slide, you can see in general how the entrance exam works. Some of the programs have written entrance exam that takes place on the campus, and it's usually at the end of June. Some of the programs, they have either online admission exam or online interview. Again, you can check the conditions on the particular website of each study program. And on the last slide, we would like to tell you a little bit more about our international cooperation. The big advantage, and something we are very proud of in our English programs, are courses that are called study blocks. We do have 2 or 3 per semester in each program, and each year we have around 60 to 70 visiting lecturers from our partner universities from abroad, either from Europe, United States, Canada, Malaysia, and other parts of the world. And we like this cooperation very much because these teachers, they bring new perspective and new ways of teaching to our students.
Right now we're going to move to the next faculty, which is Faculty of Agrobiology, Food and Natural Resources. And I'm gonna give the mic to Dagmar.
Hello, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Dagmar Bržová. I work in the International Relations Office, and I'm responsible for admissions into bachelor's and master's programs studied in English at our faculty. Our faculty provides education and also focuses on research in areas such as sustainable agriculture, food safety and security, human nutrition, natural resources, waste management, and companion animals. We offer 15 study programs fully taught in English, 2 at a bachelor's level, 3 at a master's level, and 10 at a doctoral level. You can find more information when you click on the names on the bachelor, master, or doctoral wording. It will take you to our website where you can find information about the program, who will teach you, what do our graduates say about and our students say about the program. You will also learn about whether the program is suitable for you. There is also a study plan which you can have a look at. We decided to start offering faculty merit scholarships to bachelor's and master's students who are enrolled in our English taught programs and who achieve excellent study results in their first year. This means that if your study average is from 1.0 to 2.0, you can apply for a scholarship in your second year, and it amounts to 50%, from 50% to 10% of the annual tuition fee. You can find out more information on our website. If we move on, we can talk about the admission procedure. It is run separately for bachelor's and master's programs and also for doctoral programs. For bachelor's and master's programs, the admission procedure already started on 1st of November, and the final deadline is 31st of March. We, of course, encourage students to apply as early as possible, and therefore we decided to evaluate the applications within this period 4 times. So there are 4 interim deadlines, after which we always evaluate the applications which are duly completed, which are paid, and where all the required documents are submitted. So the first deadline is on the 30th of November. So please do apply early, especially if you need to obtain visa. The visa process takes at least 2 months, sometimes even longer, for third country nationals to get to the Czech Republic, and the winter semester starts in September as well. And we would like you all to be here in person for the enrollment date. To summarize the admission procedure, in step 1, you need to submit required documents in the online application. And in the step 2, you are nominated to a phase which is called evaluation of your foreign education. Or in case you already provided the so-called nostrification certificate or a certificate of recognition of equality of your foreign education in the first phase, then you can skip phase 2 and you are automatically issued with the letter of acceptance. There is no entrance examination at our faculty. You can find out more information about the admission procedure again when you click on the blue text in this presentation. The admission procedure for doctoral programs is run by the Science and Research Department. So if you have any questions, please contact my colleague, Mrs. Makovcová. Here it's very important for interested students to have a topic, to have a thesis topic selected, and also to know who will be your supervisor. Thank you very much for your attention.
And let's move on to Faculty of Environmental Sciences. And let's invite Jitka.
I would like to introduce the programs that are taught in English that we offer at the Faculty of Environmental Sciences. So if you want to change the environment, our faculty should be the best choice for you. Our study programs are related to nature protection and landscape care. We offer 2 bachelor programs and 4 master programs and 3 doctoral programs. I can briefly describe what the programs are about, maybe later. And now if we can move to another slide dedicated to admissions. Yep. So currently, the deadline for submitting the application is 24th January 2022. We have already started, as you can see. and it's the first round. In case, we will definitely open an additional round, which will be announced in February. Here, if you click or if you use this QR code, you will see all the details about the process. The admission process consists of two phases. The first phase is the phase where the students submit the applications with the required documents, such as a high school certificate or a university diploma, according to the level where you applied for. Then it's transcript of records, letter of recommendation, letter of motivation, and CV if you apply for master's programs. In the next step, we evaluate average grades of selected courses from your studies if you apply for bachelor programs. If you apply for master programs, then we evaluate your study results and the relevance of your previous field of study for the selected master's program. Newly, we also require a general academic prerequisites test, which is an important part of admissions procedure, ensuring objective evaluation of applicants' skill. So we hope it will work. It's a new requirement in our admissions. Applicants who proceed to the second phase of admissions procedure will take an interview in English. It's usually online. It can be also held face-to-face. And questions are usually focused on motivation and topics related to environmental issues, our university, some general knowledge on Czech Republic. And also you should be familiar with the study program and study plan. Thank you for giving me a chance to present the faculty, and I will be looking forward to your queries later.
Thank you very much. And we will move on to Faculty of Forestry and Wood Sciences. So now Adela will introduce you more about it.
Thank you for the floor. Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Adela, and I work at the International Relations Office at the Faculty of Forestry and Wood Sciences. And now I would like to give you some more information in brief about our faculty. We specialize on study programs focused on forestry, silviculture, and rational management of forest resources, including the subsequent timber utilization as a renewable source of the invaluable natural material. Our students during their studies gain theoretical and practical knowledge in the fields of study such as forestry, wood sciences, game management, taxidermy, or business administration. Our graduates are trained experts and professionals who develop forest natural resources and secure their sustainable management to keep these ecosystems for future generations. In the next academic year, we will offer one bachelor study program taught in English, forestry specialized in forest ecosystems, protection, and silviculture. It is a program for 3 years of study, and it is dedicated for full-time students. The annual fee in euros is 1,000 euro. Then we also have a graduate program, master's degree program called Forestry, Water, and Landscape Management. This is for 2 years of study, also in full-time, and the annual fee is 600 euro. And then we also offer 10 PhD study programs. The standard period of study is 4 years, and students can study in full-time or in part-time form of study. In the next slide, I would like to give you more information about our admission procedures. So the students or our future students can start applying this month, and the application period will end in the end of March, on the 25th of March for PhD students. And we always encourage foreign students to apply sooner, as already my colleagues mentioned before, due to the visa and evaluations of diplomas. We have entrance exams for all study cycles. On the bachelor level, we will interview our prospective students from biology. It will take form in an interview, and it will be conducted online. For applicants in master study programs, we will also interview them in forestry ecology, and it will also take place online. And the applicants for PhD studies, they will be interviewed on topics related to the specific study programs. And we also already have the entrance exams dates, as you can see in the slide. The subject areas for the dissertation thesis are available on our website, which is also displayed in the bottom of the slide. And for the PhD studies, you can see the section Science and Research PhD studies. The applicants are also welcome to propose their own topics. You can always contact my colleague, Kateřina Navrátilová from International Relations Office, or also our Vice Dean for Education, Markéta Kalábová. So thank you very much for your attention, and that's all from my side.
Thank you, Adela. And we will move to Faculty of Engineering, which Lucia will introduce to you. Unfortunately, we couldn't get her camera to work today, so you'll just hear her voice. So the floor is yours.
My name is Lucie Korečková. I work at the Faculty of Engineering, and I'm responsible for admission procedures to our English programs. We provide our one bachelor program called Agricultural Engineering. The first 2 years of study demonstrates the theoretical basis in agricultural technology, which enables students to undertake further study in technical and biological sciences. And after this, you may also continue with the master study program, also so-called agricultural engineering, for 2 years also only, and that's it will equip you with the gain technical knowledge of the theory of technical disciplines that enable you to work in the areas of machine development, technological use and maintenance of technology, including system support for decision making at the top management level. And this special knowledge complements the basics of biological and ecological disciplines, waste management, computer-aided design, transport handling technology, food production technology, etc. Our second master program is called Technology and Environmental Engineering, also 2 years only, and subjects include agricultural engineering, road and urban transport, technology and equipment for waste management, and building construction, trade and business in machinery, and information and control technology in agri-food complexes. The graduates are well prepared for national and international positions in industry, civil services, business dealing with machinery, and technical development. All these 3 study programs are charged as a €3,000 per academic year. And also we do provide some special tuition fee reduction program after first year of study upon your study average. So also very similar to the Faculty of Agrobiology, if your study result after first year of study will be 1.1 till 1.5, you may strongly apply for the tuition fee reduction for the next years. We also do provide one doctoral program, so-called Engineering of Agricultural Technological System. Back to the admission procedure, also very similar to the other faculties, also 2 phases. The first of us, like to submit electronic application and also submit relevant document, what are proving the level of your education, previous education, so it means like high school certificate or bachelor diploma. Then as soon as you will submit all these documents, you will be invited to online entrance examination. The entrance test is held online, as I told you. You don't need to be presented at the campus, and it consists from mathematics, physics, and English language. As soon as you will pass the test, we will finish the evaluation of your previous study, which is also a very necessary part of the admission, and then you will be asked to pay tuition fee. After the pay tuition fee, we will provide you the letter of acceptance, what is needed for your visa application. Also strongly recommend, please apply in time. Our admission portal is open from 25th of November and is closing in the last of March. That's it. Thank you for your attention.
And last but not least, Faculty of Tropical Agri-Sciences. As you can see, this faculty offers as well undergraduate and postgraduate programs. The tuition fee is roughly around 300 euros for the bachelor's and master's level, and for the doctoral level as well. The admission takes place in 2 rounds. 2 periods. As you can see, it starts in November and goes to January, and then again from January until March. In each of the rounds, it has 2 phases. First one is internal evaluation of your documents. You can see here the documents that are required for bachelor and master students. And then after the documents are set and ready, you will have an interview either in person. If it's not possible, you will have it online. The admission procedure starts in November and goes until March in total. You can also use the QR codes that are here in this presentation. We will upload the presentation after so that you can use these links that we've been mentioning and QR codes to find out more information. So just to sum it up, I would like to mention one more thing, because I know that for a lot of you that's an important part of the studies. Am I going to be able to afford it? So just to mention scholarships. We already talked about it with some of the faculties, but in general, we don't offer the full covered scholarships, and that's why that's because our government already subsidizes the programs since we're a public school. So the tuition is very affordable with all of the programs. So just so that you know the system, how it works. Some of the faculties offer the merit scholarships. We also offer accommodation scholarship or reduce your tuition fee. And that'll be all from this presentation. Here you have some more links for our social media and websites if you want to explore a bit more.